This man Kuraja.
Even jazz on the beat.
I'm a to carry, I'm a to that away. She get the confidence, go to Kim.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Yuri and it's very nice to meet you. So today I have a special video for you guys. I'm going to be installing a wig here on camera in front of you guys. I have like a lot of people who always ask me questions about how I put my wigs on or what kind of hair I use, and etc, etc. So this video is going to be explaining all of that and showing you guys exactly how I slay my wigs or whatever. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I know I'm always like gone for like a couple of months and then I come back. So, I mean, I wouldn't subscribe to me either, but if you guys could do that for me, that would be so nice. So you guys, so make sure you guys do that, and I will be posting more videos now. I know I say this like all the time and I don't, but this time I have recorded like 5 videos, so I will be able to post more videos once a week. So yeah, okay. So this is So this is the wig that I'm gonna be installing today. So it is a 13x4 lace frontal. The frontal is 20 inches and the bundles are, well, the bundles were originally 30 inches, but I did cut the bundles into maybe I would say 26 inches just because I had no idea the hair would be so long on me. And if you guys didn't know, I am 5'2", so I'm pretty small. So yeah, so I have 3 bundles of 26 inches now and a 20-inch lace frontal. The wig was made by me, if you guys can see. I have sewed this wig onto the cap myself. And yeah, I'm also going to be doing the wig cap off camera just to save time. I'm not trying to make this video too long because you guys know I hate filming long videos. So I am going to be installing the wig cap off camera, but if you guys do want a video on that as well, just let me know and I will do that for you guys. Okay? Okay, so I'm gonna start off with putting my wig on just to make sure it fits. As you guys can see, the hair has already been bleached and plucked. If you guys want a video on how I bleach and pluck my frontals, just let me know and I will gladly do a video for you guys. So I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol and just make sure to clean my entire hairline. You guys do not want to miss this step because it is very important. It plays a big part in making sure your frontals last as long as they can. So as you guys can see, I grabbed some type of like foundation spray. I did not like the product very much, so I'm not going to go into details about it. Now I'm going to grab a marker and I'm going to draw little dots all around my hairline just so I can know exactly where to put the glue. By the way, you want to make sure you do not put glue past the hairline you just drew with a marker. So the glue I'm using is extra glue from my hair collection. I'm still testing it out, so I'm not going to be providing too many details on it. But I'm going to be applying 3 layers of the glue. You can also use Ghost Bond or Bold Hold, whatever you prefer. And you want to make sure the glue is always clear before putting on another layer. As you guys can see, it is now time to apply your lace frontal. I recommend using the back of a comb just to press the frontal in the glue. Try to avoid your fingers as much as you can because your fingers do have oil, so that could mess up the longevity of the wig. Okay, so now I'm going to grab a razor to cut the remaining lace. I recommend using a razor over scissors because it will give a little bit of a zigzag motion and it will make the lace less noticeable. Okay, so this step is optional. You don't have to use spray, but I only use it so I could get the hair out of the way so I was able to lay down my baby hair properly. Okay, so usually I would use Eco Styler gel to lay down my baby hair, but since I didn't have any left, I had to use the Got To Be gel. I do not recommend this product at all. I hate it so much. It makes your baby hair very hard and sticky, so I would not recommend you guys using this product. If you guys have some mousse or some Eco Styler gel to do your baby hair, I would suggest using that instead. When I tell y'all I was struggling to lay down my baby hair, like I'm telling you, this is harder than it looks. For some reason, it's always hard for me to lay down my baby hairs on a frontal versus on my natural hair. Feeling myself, guys. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a scarf or whatever I was using, and I'm going to wrap it around my edges so I can make sure my baby hair aren't going anywhere. And in the meantime, I'm just gonna quickly style my hair. My hair was already strained and all of that, so I didn't really have to do too much. Okay, so 5 minutes later, now you're ready to take off your scarf, and this is the final result. I was so happy with myself, like I was really in love with this look. Okay, so this part is also optional, but I like to use hairspray on the front part of my hair just to make sure the flyaways are laid down. And yeah, so this was the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna stop talking now because obviously I'm feeling myself, so yeah. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Bye. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video, this little tutorial, whatever you guys want to call it. Like I was saying in the video, I had to use the black Got2b gel to slick down my baby hair. I don't recommend it. I hate it. I usually use what is it called? I usually use a Eco Styler, yeah, because I do not know how to work with the mousse yet. Because if you guys didn't know, in order to use hair mousse to lay your edges, you gotta work really fast because your frontal will start to lift if you don't work really fast. And y'all already seen how long it took me to do my baby hair, so I am not trying to use no mousse for now until I'm 100% confident in myself. So yeah, I really like the final result. Like I said, I don't really like to use the Got2b gel for the baby hair. It makes the baby hair hard and not as natural as it can be. So that's the only thing I didn't really like. But other than that, I love it. The hair is beautiful. It is so soft. This is literally the bobme.com. It literally makes your hair so smooth. I recommend it 100%. And taken, the bundles are 5 months old. The frontal is new. I used to have a closure with the bundles. I decided to just wear a frontal because it's more natural compared to a closure. So yeah, I just use the same bundles but with the frontal instead of the closure. And I washed the bundles and everything, and when I tell you guys, this hair is so soft, like honestly, and it is very thick too. I don't know if you guys can see. This is only 3 bundles. Like honestly, it's not even completely 3 bundles. Like I would say 2 bundles and like a half or 3/4, because I did have a little bit left from the 3rd bundle. I was not able to fit all the bundles in, which was kind of upsetting because I really wanted it to be super thick, but I'm not even complaining because this just makes it look more natural. The hair is very, very beautiful. Like it moves. This is 5-month-old hair, guys. Like yeah, and the wig, like I said, was made by me. So if you guys want to have your hair constructed into a wig, if you guys have old bundles or you guys have bundles in a frontal or closure that you guys want to turn into a wig, I will have all my information down below in the description box. I can never say that word. I will have all my information in the description box and also on the screen, so you guys will know where to find me. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be having more videos like this and more videos of just everything in general coming into this channel very soon. So make sure you're subscribed because you do not want to miss this. I promise you, this channel is about to be lit. Okay, anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.